Hello everyone. Today we are comparing ZTE Nubia Z60 Ultra and Asus ROG Phone 8 Pro. Let's see this full video. First, compare the body features. Both two phones comes with an IP68 rating. Next, compare display features. Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with a 6.8 inches AMOLED display and HDR10+. And ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with the 6.78 inches LTPO AMOLED display, HDR10+ and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Hardware features. Both two mobiles come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and the same hardware features. Let's move to the camera features. Nubia Z60 Ultra comes with the 50 megapixel standard, 64 megapixel telephoto and 50 megapixel ultra-wide, and also 12 megapixel front camera. And ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with the 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel telephoto and 13 megapixel ultra-wide, and also 32 megapixel front camera. Next, compare the battery features. Z60 Ultra comes with the 6000 mAh battery and ROG Phone 8 Pro comes with the 5500 mAh battery. Both two phones include 5G connectivity, studio speakers, NFC, GPS and fingerprint. We hope you have enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe.